So the next piece I'd like to play is my own piece, and it was very much inspired by this piece, by Lejewski. It's also a collage, you could say, of different styles put together. It's based on the Caprice by the great Italian violin virtuoso Nicola Paganini. And Paganini was a very interesting character. He had a very, some say that he was possessed by the devil. He could play so well or very quickly, but his stage presence was very captivated a lot of composers, and they were inspired to write variations on this theme. You've definitely heard of the theme before. It's like a study. Paganini wrote a lot of studies exploring the possibilities of violin. So these, I wrote 9 variations based on this theme, and they're kind of more jazzy direction, influences from Chopin. It begins with a kind of a walking, jazzy, cheeky feel with a walking bass. Idea for actually inspired by a Jackie Chan movie, walking bass line. And then there's a little bit of I wanted to write something in the style of the bumblebee, but it turned out to be more like a fly. It changed to a magpie sometimes. And there's also gamelan drum influence in the middle, and also film music. Last year we probably heard the 200th anniversary of Chopin, so in Germany where I live, just hear Chopin in every corner, every bakery, every wall. So there's a bit of homage to Chopin as well as gypsy music. I took out the heavy metal. Okay, it's about 7 minutes long, so we'll see you soon.
Thanks for an absolutely fabulous concert. There's a couple of very young boys here who've managed to stay through it. You've met a real wizard, okay? Don't forget it. In the brain. Wizard. Obviously that's sheer mastery, and you've heard today that Ashley's not only a pianist, he's a composer, but also he's an artist, and those who buy the CD will see on the inside cover an excerpt from one of his works, and as well he cuts gemstones. So it goes on and on and on. Okay, thanks a lot, Ashley.